Today, ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring to us another basic calculation we all should know as young civil engineers and anybody who is into construction field, other related engineering courses. We should all know these things. And there are things I have found out mostly among my fellow young practicing civil engineers in the field. Some of us find it very difficult to do it. Some basic calculations. I'm not talking about major calculations of structural analysis, design of structures, and other the basic things like simple calculations. A civil engineering student, most especially those in practice, should know. Because oftentimes my friends and colleagues they do ask me, how do you do this? How do you calculate this? How do you do this? How do you calculate this? So if you're not good in calculation, I don't think you'll be making profit in construction because you can never be able to calculate the quantity of cement, sand, granite, and other related materials. Most like block. I don't know how you making your profit because if you are bidding for a project, you cannot just say, "Give me so amount." You must have from your drawing. You must have done a thorough calculation before you can now be able to come up with what you bid for the job. So that's one of the things that made me to come up with a thing like this. As we can see, this is a truck, a dumper. They normally call it double axle. Used to convert chipping, granite. Now, somebody like I need 20 tons, I need 15 tons, I need 10 tons, I need 30 tons. How do you know, or how will you know if truly what they have brought for you, what I have given you is 20 tons or is 30 tons or is whatever tons? You know, So I'm here to tell us how we can be able to calculate it. Now, if you look at when you look at the truck in question, it normally have this shape. That's why I have the other one to the top shape. The shape is always slanting like this. So from our primary mathematics, primarily we know that volume divided by V is equal to length times breadth times height. And here we have two lengths, meaning that we are going to get the average of them for us to have our actual length. So by going by that, we have that our V is equal to 6 plus 5.5 over 2 times 1.7, then times 2, being our height. So that's it. Then as we go further, we want to calculate to know the cubic meter of this bucket so that when something like this is being brought to you in the site, you cannot be able to know this is number of quantity of chipping you have delivered to me or you have given me. So going further, we're going to have V being our volume. Then 6 plus 5.5 will give us 11.5 over 2 times 1.7 times 1.7 being our breadth times 2. Then if you divide this, you have 5.75 here times 1.2 times 2. Multiplying further, if you multiply this and this, if you multiply 5.75 plus times 1.7, that will give you, if you multiply it, you're going to have 9.755 times 1 times 2, right? times 2. Then let's multiply further and see. Times 2. Let's multiply further and see what we are going to have. Primary, let's do it primarily. The way we multiply primarily. 9.755 by 2. So this will give us 10 log 1, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. This will give us 14 plus 1, 15. Then point. This times is 18 plus 1, 19. So our V is going to give us 19.5 cm cubic meter. 19.5 cm approximately. This we can approximate it. I say that V is approximately 20 cm cube. Approximately. Now, this thing really shows you this is a practical volume of this truck. And this volume is when it's filled at the brim. At the brim, normally when you see them carrying chipping, the chipping is always above the bucket. And when you look at the bucket, at the edges of the bucket are always empty. But you see them, they will lift it up. Those are the strategies they use in their business. So, but when they fill it at the brim, and you see that if you try to spread that chipping to fill the brim of the bucket, sometimes you might not feel the brain, but seeing the way they have packed it up, you think it's okay. So for this calculation really means that the thing has to fill the brim of the bucket for you to have this, and that's exactly what they call 20 tons. That truck fleet at the brim will give you 20 tons. Then some will use that same truck to tell you that they are bringing 25 tons. So how do you calculate that? Calculating that, meaning that, because if there's no day when it goes up, there's no for you to calculate it, you might have to do extra calculations for you to know if it's actually 25 tons or if it's not 25 tons. So but from the recent, it doesn't get up to 25 tons. As far as it has been fit to the brim 20, maybe they can be able to add 2 to 3 tons on top. So that's their business for them. But I'm just trying to, as young engineers who are in the